Hello there, and welcome to today's class, a 10-minute restorative yoga practice. You won't need any special props today, except maybe a blanket or two, especially if you're feeling chilled. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sam, and I teach yoga around my local community and also here online. Before we get started, consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more yoga videos like this, and giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So we'll get started today on our backs. So come down to your back. Once you get there, maybe draw your knees into your chest. You can close your eyes if you're comfortable. And start to come back to your breath. Taking a nice belly inhale. And exhale, drawing navel to spine. Release your legs back down to the mat, and we'll first come into a reclined twist today. So taking your arms out in a T, shift your hips over to the left. Draw your knees up and in a little bit and let them fall over to the right. You can look however is comfortable. If you'd like, you can place that blanket underneath your knees or between your knees for some extra support as well. Inhale in. And exhale, draw your knees back up to center and shift your hips back to center as well. Take your hips over to the right side now and let both knees fall over to the left. Inhale in. And exhale, draw your knees back up to center. Bring your hips back to center as well. And once again, draw your knees into your chest and rock side to side. And then gently release, and we'll come into reclined cobbler's pose. So bring the soles of your feet together, let your knees fall open wide. If you'd like, you can place some support underneath your knees, such as pillows, blankets, or blocks. Your hands can rest by your side, or maybe they come to your belly. And as you inhale, feel your hands rise up. And as you exhale, feeling them gently fall back down. Take your hands underneath your knees and gently draw your legs back up and settle into Shavasana. Stay here longer if you wish. But if you're ready to finish your practice here, Start by coming back to your breath, taking a deep breath in and out. Move your fingers and your toes. Maybe take a full body stretch. And roll over to one side. Gently press back up when you're ready. Find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes. And just take a moment to notice how you feel. Take a deep breath in and exhale out as you blink your eyes open. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day.